Welcome back, beautiful people, to another Temu video. So in today's video I'm going to be giving us a code for free gifts. Okay, it's very easy. All you need to do is to search this code in your Temu search bar. All right, so the code is FRG 462152. FRG 462152. And just like that, tap on the search icon and the little game comes up as usual, and all you need to do is just to follow along the game, play the game and get your gifts. Of course, you know that on Temu, if you're giving a gift, it comes with terms and conditions. It means you need to qualify, like you need to buy some goods to qualify. I picked the wrong egg, but I have another chance to pick the right one. So if you're giving gifts, it comes with qualifying orders, meaning to unlock that free gift you actually need to buy some things on Temu, and they usually give you a threshold amount that you need to get. Okay, so I just want to put that out there so that we are aware. Okay, if you use this code, let me know if it works for you. Tell me in the comment section. Okay, so it's that easy. I just want to show us the code. I don't want this video to be long. And yeah, so I have all these for free. I just need to pick. For now, I've been giving 2 free gifts. 2. So I can just go ahead and pick anything I want, anything at all. It works for you. The code works. Just use it and let me know. And that's just it. Once I'm done with the picking, I don't want to continue so that the video won't be too long. Just use it and let me know in the comment section. And like I said, it comes with qualifying orders. Okay, and of course I have other codes that are displayed on the screen. I have the code for exclusive deal, the €100 coupon, and I also have the code if you want to join the affiliate program. Of course, you need to have up to 100,000 followers on all your platform, be it YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. All you need to do is search for the code that says the code to earn as an affiliate. Search it on the Temu bar, and once you do that, you are automatically signed up as an affiliate, and then you go ahead to authorize your social media. Everything is explained on the app, but I'll do an in-depth video on how to do that. Watch out for that video. If you've watched to this point, thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.